Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of C Limited, ticker symbol SE. And so I went over this chart in a live stream and it was requested that I follow up on it. So I just wanted to add to what I went over in the live stream, which was basically I drew these three white horizontal lines, one being at the, let's see, close on November 14th, which was at $35.87. Then I also have this other line, which was the high on November 28th, which was $40.30. And so I had kind of suggested that it seemed like there was kind of this, channel that the price action was hanging out in. And so I was thinking that, if price broke below 35.87, that could be a bad sign. If it broke above 40.30, that could be a great sign. And so what has happened since I did that live stream, I'm not exactly sure which day that was, but, price action has resided within this channel, this parallel channel that I've drawn. And then I have also drawn $38, just given that it's a round number, even number, that seems like it'd be significant. And so, and it's also, right more or less between these two lines. And so what I see happening with this is, basically I see some bullish things, but, this could also break to the downside given that it has been testing, the lower side of this line, at about $36. But what I do see is a lower low was formed in the price on December 11th, a low of $35.20, whereas with the RSI, you can see here that higher lows have been formed, and that is bullish divergence. That suggests bullish moves are, potentially on the table. And so, I would say that I have kind of a bullish bias towards this now, but it, of course, could break lower. And, so I do have this red line that's drawn here, which is based on the close of August 24th. And then there have been a couple tails of these candles coming down to that. On December 11th, the low was $35.20, whereas this line is drawn at $35.21. So I do think that is a pretty key level. We have not seen any closes below that level. So if we do see one below it, I would expect lower prices to follow. But, if we do trade within this channel, I do see that there is this downtrending level that, may be significant, and it's possible that there will be a breakout above that if price does return to $38 or higher, potentially filling this gap at $39.05. Also, there is this other gap to the upside at $44.85. So another reason to kind of be bullish on this, that it has these gaps to fill to the upside. And then, so this downtrending level that I have drawn here is, may not be significant, but, I drew that based on, I believe, the open on April 4th. And the other pivot point is based on, I believe, the close of July 31st. And so what I see with that is we have this gap up above it, followed by a gap down ranging between May 5th, when there was the gap up over the weekend, to May 8th, and then a gap down between May 15th and May 16th. And then we also saw a retest of that line where this pivot point is. And just recently, we did see a test of it, actually technically a close above it on November 13th, but then it gapped down, and the trading has, followed to be, above more or less this close on November 14th at 35.87. And so if that does hold, I do feel that with this downtrending level, if price does break above that, that could be a sign that price would move higher, especially if there's a retest of this downtrending level of potential support before continuation to $44.85. And so let's see. those are my thoughts. And if you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.